Alright, you bunch of dicks. I gotta move this. This hasn't been started in over a week because we're selling it. Ooh, nice. Alright, let that warm up. Now let's go over to this hunk of junk, even though it's not at all. I love it. And we'll do a cold crank of this, even though it's like 60 something degrees out today, which is super. And this thing stinks. Glow plugs. Alright, rear view mirror. Huh, a little bit of smoke, not bad. Considering that it hasn't been started in a day and a half. Or whatever. Cool. Yeah, junk. Two pieces of junk. Just kidding. I love it when people comment on my videos, oh, it's not junk, it's not junk. Yeah, half the joke is it's not junk. So, figure it out.